How to denoise image in Picsart. Want to clean up that grainy photo? Here's how to reduce noise in Picsart. First, open your image and head to the Tools section. Then choose Enhance. Use the noise slider to reduce visual grain while keeping details intact. You can also try the smooth effect under Effects for an extra polish. Zoom in as you adjust to see how the noise reduction looks across skin tones or dark areas. Once the image looks smoother and cleaner, hit apply and save it. Do you edit night shots or low light photos often? Tell us in the comments below. If details get too soft, balance with a bit of sharpening after denoising. And that's how you can denoise image in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.